Morning. How are you guys? Oh, I'll tell you what, such a beautiful day. Check it. Check it. It's 66 degrees.
Yay.
And Uncle Biscuit's with us, with Maxie. Woo woo woo.
Woot woot.
They're both looking out the window. What are y'all looking at?
A car.
Car in the sun. Excellent. Anyway, we are going to Puppy Plunge. Awesome. And I haven't seen you guys in a while. Sad. I've been busy. Tell him I've been busy.
He's been busy. He really has. He's never home.
No. I leave the house like 8 in the morning. I don't get home until like 10. Oh well. So there's really nothing to vlog. And now we're going to miss our turn. Not really, because I'm following that guy. But yeah, exciting news. I had footage from before that I was going to show you guys, and I just ditched it because it's so old, it's kind of like awkward giving it to you, so we're starting fresh. But I did lose 4 pounds. 4.
Yay.
So yay! Peanut gallery clap. Thank you, Heather.
You're welcome.
And Uncle Biscuit shall remain silent.
That's his clap.
That is his clap. That reminds me of a song. What movie is that from? Everyone do the clap.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't even know what that means either.
I
But
think, well, never mind.
ooh, look at it. Oh, that's nice. You know we're in that good part of Waco right now.
South Waco.
Get you some. Biscuit. Why are you sitting like that? What are you doing? You excited? Why is your hand there? Oh, he loves you, Chad. And Heather's on her iPhone, as always.
Yep.
We're here. And that's where we're going. That's where we register. That's kind of cool. So I'll see you guys when we get on the inside. Oh. Ooh, let's go get in the water.
I should have left my shoes off.
It's like a briefcase.
Look at him!
Come on, bub. Oh, yes. Go get it. Oh, this water's so cold. Where is he going? Does it look like fun?
Hey, that looks cool.
Water park fun. He's over there.
Let him get in that water.
I know. He ain't gonna get in it. Ooh, I'm having so much fun. There's only a doggy can at the doggy park. He is having the best.
I'm gonna go take my shoes off.
Go do that. Oh, I gotta go get him. Deep end, desert.
Yeah. Going in the deep end. Uh-oh. Might get a little bit afraid. That tail's up. Josh, you're going too deep. Oh, look at the 2 men playing with the dog. How cute. Ooh, look, maybe we'll get on the news station. Look at that one. He's having fun. Where'd he go?
Look, he's having fun. He's like, ah, who's that? Uh-oh, somebody fell down over there. Getting after it. This is fun. Hi. Tell YouTube hi.
I got cold.
Tell him you're swimming. And say thank you to Uncle Henry for his lovely kayak business called Geared, where you get kayaks for your doggy. That's right. That's right. That's right. And Big Buster, his big friend.
Went out. Keep playing. What are we fixing to do, Mace?
We are here for the talent.
Oh boy.
Blow them out the water.
Do you think we're gonna do it good, Max?
I think so, and he knows
All
what
right.
the treats are, so we're gonna make it happen.
All right, let's wait our turn. Do down. Good boy. Hug.
Max. See what you say. Max, watch me. Sit. Down.
Uh-oh. We have a kink in the chain.
You're ruining our performance. Sit. Down. 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 Skip that. That's all we learned from Puppy.
Good job, Max.
Talk to you guys. We're both kind of bummed. Did you see them poodles just jump in and ruin our show? Oh well, it happens. We might still have this in the bag. Get after it. He's gonna go run wild. I think this is all we're gonna show for today. Puppy Plunge. Actually, gonna go out of town here in a little bit, so that'll be kind of fun. I'll pick back up recording then. Hope you liked our show. Stupid poodles.